Hi everyone, welcome to Storeino. This video will be a short video explaining how to change your password in Storeino.com. So when you log into your account, first of all, you have to change from the store account to the manager account. What we need to do is go to the top right of your screen here, as you can see, click on this icon and then click on back to manager. And then, as you can see here in the page of the dashboard, as you can see here, we have three buttons. There is the button, of course, of verifying your email. You have to check and make sure that your email is verified so you can use the option of changing your password. So when you are done with verifying your email, go to once again the top right of your screen, click on it, and then click on profile. When you click on a profile, as you can see here, we have the details of our account and users, and of course we have the stores. What we need to do is click on update user, and then this page will show up and it has all the information of your account. It has the name, the email, the phone number, etc., all the information that you have provided to Storeino.com. But what concerns us most is the password button here. As you can see, underneath the language button, we have the edit password button. We have to activate it, as you can see. And then the last step is just type in your password here and then retyping it once again just to confirm the password. And then when you are eventually done with changing the password, just go ahead and click on confirm, so the password will be updated and changed in your account in Storeino.com. So that was a brief and short video explaining how to change your password in Storeino.com. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment or contact our support, and we will make sure to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you.